Okay, so I just wanted to do a quick video of how I am powering some of these old Psion computers using standard USB battery chargers, usually used for charging mobile phones and things, but using this type of product. So this is from eBay. This is just a cheap USB to 9-volt converter. This 9-volt one is for the Series 3. This has a standard 2.1 by 5.5 millimeter jack on the end. The polarity is negative on the outer, positive on the inner. Series 3 needs 9 volts in. This is a little adapter I made to use that lead. It's got the standard jack that interfaces with the 2.1 by 5.5 millimeter connector, and then a barrel connector for the Psion. I just swapped the wires over, so this is now positive on the outer, negative on the inner. That's just the standard lead, so that's one approach. Take the standard lead, make a little dongle for the end. This, for the MC, is, as you can see, powering it here. So the other approach is chop this one actually has a switch in the middle of it, so this is the 9-volt one. This is how it comes with the little on-off switch. Chop the switch, take the wires, connect the wires to the end of a standard Psion charger. So this is the right connector for the MC for the Series 3 line, and wire it so that we get now positive on the outer, negative on the inner, just using this little non-screw terminal connector. So it's the same sort of thing. This one is USB to 12 volts through a connector. You can use a screw terminal connector block if you want. Chop off the end of an old dead mains power supply, and there you have it. Easy as that.